How to turn off or on promotions settings on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser, and now once you're here, all you need to do is just click account settings and then click notifications, and here we'll find promotions. Now if you want to turn it off, click on it, and you don't have to click save, just go back, click close. And if you want to turn it on again, just click on your profile notifications and go, and here we'll find it, just click on it, and that's it. You can turn it off or on whenever you want, and that's it. After that, just close it, and that's it for today's video. I hope that can help you, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.